The Impact Day forecast from the WGAL News 8 Storm Team.
We've had some scattered snow showers throughout the day, and we will continue to see them out there through this evening into the early overnight hours. And now that we're past sunset, any light snow will likely start coating over the roadways. So that's why it's an impact day, because we'll have some scattered, slippery or snowy roads throughout the night. Now, be prepared for dangerously low wind chills. We're talking the most intense chill we have seen so far this winter. Could feel like it's as cold as 20 below zero at times throughout Saturday. And we could also see some wind gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour at times on Saturday. Wind gusts of that strength could cause some power outages. Wind chills of that value could cause frostbite. Now, we'll start to see the conditions improve on Sunday, but it's still going to be bitterly cold. We'll have sub-zero wind chills in the morning, and it will remain blustery throughout the day. It's just less intense, but still incredibly cold, even for this time of the year. Taking a live look right now over Carlisle, just a few flakes coming down. Notice the roadways right now wet, but slippery out there across the valley. Right now, we're at 25 degrees in Carlisle. Winds are relatively calm, but notice visibility down to 2 miles. On live Local 8 radar and the Storm Team Live Radar Network, we just have these hit or miss light snow showers. Bulk of these are falling across eastern portions there of Cumberland County, northern portions of Adams County into York County. Just enough to coat the roadways. Just got a report in Lancaster Township of some light snow starting to coat some roadways. You can see here on the Storm Team Live Radar Network some light snow falling across parts of Lancaster City and right there along the Susquehanna River between York County and Lancaster County. We'll keep this type of activity around to about 8 to 9 o'clock, and then they'll be isolated in nature, but still possible into the early overnight hours. So scattered light snow showers coating to an inch, temperatures hovering in the 20s. Overnight tonight, these snow showers will be ending, but not till about 5 a.m. And then it gets cold and blustery, temperatures down into the single digits to lower teens, but notice the winds will be howling through the day tomorrow. Temperatures during the afternoon will likely be in the teens. And again, wind chills as cold as 20 below zero. It's still going to be bitterly cold out there on your Sunday. Temperatures will hold in the teens to lower 20s as we go through the afternoon, but we'll see sub-zero chills in the morning, and they'll start to improve during the afternoon. So this is why we have the extreme cold warning that goes into effect starting at 4 a.m. tomorrow. So here's a look at that wind chill gust forecast. Worst of that is going to be tomorrow morning and staying at least sub-zero until we get into Sunday afternoon. Another hit of sub-zero wind chills will be out there for Monday morning. Now, because the winds will be strong, we have that wind advisory that also goes into effect tomorrow at 4 a.m. I do believe the winds will be at their worst tomorrow afternoon, and that's likely when the wind chills will be at their worst. But we're talking, again, possibly upwards of 50 miles per hour, a little less intense, but still brutally cold throughout the day on Sunday. Here's a look at the temperatures now. We're at 24 in Lancaster, 25 if you're watching us in Hanover, 24 currently in Shippensburg. Let's zoom on out and show you the colder air coming on in, down to 10 in Marquette, Michigan. Feels like it's 9 below up there already. So we've got that sub-zero chill. You can see the winds are now starting to whip across Michigan and into Wisconsin. That's the air that's going to be driven on in by this powerful Arctic cold front that's moving on by in the next couple of hours. So just some spotty snow showers out there. Front will move on by, and then here we go. That intense winter chill will be out there throughout the weekend. Again, the worst of it is tomorrow. A little bit better, but still brutally cold through the day on Sunday. And we stay cold with some flurries possible on Monday. Looks like Tuesday's dry. Wednesday could see a chance of a wintry mix switching over to rain. And then as of right now, we are monitoring at least the chance of another storm system approaching the valley going on into Valentine's Day weekend. It looks like a wintry mix right now with temperatures in the mid-30s.